selection tool. Just ignore my writing. And the quick key or the keyboard shortcut for this is V. Now what a selection tool is used for. Suppose I have this one shape or artwork. If I want to move this shape or any artwork, we need to select this shape. So in order to select, click on this tool, which is selection tool, or use the shortcut V, select, and then you can move it or place it on your artboard wherever you want. If you want, you can delete it. Just simply press delete button on your keyboard. Let me just bring it here. Even if you want, you can resize this. Just place the cursor on this anchor point and drag to increase the size and drag it inwards to decrease the size. Also, you can blend these corners or blend these anchor points. Suppose instead of this this angular note, you want a curve. Just simply click on this anchor point and drag. So basically, with selection tool, you can select any artwork or shape. You can move it around. You can change its color. You can place it wherever you want. You want to delete it, just select and delete. Now, then we have second tool, which is direct selection. Now with direct selection, we have its shortcut, which is A, and keeping the same shape here. Now with this direct selection tool, you can select any particular anchor point. In this, with selection tool, you can select this entire shape or entire work, whereas with direct selection tool, you can select any particular these anchor points. These are anchor points, all these corners. So just these are your anchor points. So suppose you want to stretch from here, select this anchor point and you can expand the shape or expand that particular corner